Knowledge is not intelligence. There is a sun in every person. Just let it shine. You can't live a better life than spending your life striving to become more perfect. Conventional logic states, if you are unhappy, then you have no happiness. And since you don't have it, go out and look for it. Paradoxical logic, however, says, if you go looking for happiness, you will lose it. Just sit down and realize that you have it. Nature has endowed us with 2 eyes, 2 ears, but only 1 tongue, so that we look and listen more than we speak. Everyone knows that money can buy shoes but not happiness, food but not appetite, bed but not sleep, medicine but not health, servants but not friends, entertainment but not joy, teachers but not intelligence. Once, even when he was kicked, Socrates tolerated this too, and when someone wondered, he replied, "If a donkey kicked me, would I sue him?" Poor man is not the one without a penny in his pocket, but the one without a dream. I only know that I know nothing, but others don't know that either. I eat to live, and some people live to eat. Other people live to eat, but I eat to live. People find it easier to hold a hot coal on their tongue than a mystery. In dress, try to be graceful, but not dandy. The sign of grace is decorum, but the sign of dandy is success. Why do people who know how to act will do bad things? Health is not everything, but everything without health is nothing. Life without trials is not life.